Picture yourself landing a dream job at Google or chatting with friends from across the globe, all because you speak English fluently. Ready to unlock a world of possibilities? Welcome to Ank's English, the channel where we transform your dreams into reality by mastering English. I'm so excited you're here today as we dive into why learning English is a game changer for your life. English isn't just a language. It's your passport to global opportunities, from skyrocketing your career to exploring new cultures and building lifelong connections. Whether you're aiming to travel the world, ace a job interview, or simply express yourself with confidence, English is the key. Let's embark on this journey to discover why English matters and how you can start speaking it fluently today. Why English is a must-have skill. English is more than words on a page. It's a tool that opens doors to a brighter future. From connecting with people worldwide to advancing your career, here's why mastering English is worth every moment of your effort. The language of the world. English is the universal language that connects people across borders. Spoken in over 60 countries, from the UK to South Africa, it's the go-to language for business, travel, and global communication. Imagine wandering through a bustling market in Thailand or checking into a hotel in Italy. English often saves the day when you need to communicate. Online, English reigns supreme. Most websites, social media platforms, and apps are either in English or offer it as an option. By mastering English, you can dive into the digital world, follow global trends, and connect with millions of people, from influencers to innovators, with ease. Boost your career to new heights. In today's global job market, English is a must. Companies like Tesla, Airbnb, and Samsung use English as their primary language for international communication. Fluency in English makes you a standout candidate, whether you're applying for a tech role, a hospitality job, or a position in finance. Even in local businesses, English sets you apart. Imagine working in sales and effortlessly pitching to international clients or collaborating with a global team. English makes it possible. Dreaming of studying abroad at universities like Yale or the University of Tokyo? English is your ticket to top-tier education and global networking opportunities. Tap into a world of knowledge. English is the gateway to endless learning. From scientific journals to online courses, most of the world's knowledge is shared in English. Whether you're fascinated by climate change, artificial intelligence, or cooking, Fluency lets you access resources like BBC articles, Coursera classes, or YouTube tutorials from experts worldwide. For example, if you're curious about space exploration, you can read NASA's latest reports. If business is your thing, follow blogs by industry leaders like Elon Musk. English keeps you informed, inspired, and ready to explore any topic that sparks your interest. Dive into global entertainment. Fluency in English lets you enjoy the world's best entertainment in its purest form. Watch Oscar-winning films like Parasite or The Matrix without subtitles, sing along to hits by Taylor Swift or BTS, and read captivating books by authors like Neil Gaiman or Haruki Murakami. Engaging with these in English not only sharpens your language skills, but also deepens your understanding of diverse cultures. Connect with people worldwide. English is the bridge to global friendships. On platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or Discord, English is often the common language that connects people from different backgrounds. Imagine joining a photography group online and sharing tips with someone from Brazil or discussing your favorite TV show with a fan from Australia. English makes these connections possible, enriching your life with new perspectives and meaningful relationships. Build unshakable confidence. Learning English is a journey of personal growth. Every time you nail a conversation, write a professional email, or understand a song's lyrics, you'll feel a surge of pride. Mastering English isn't just about grammar. It's about proving to yourself that you can conquer challenges and grow into a more confident, capable person. How to start speaking English like a pro. Feeling inspired to learn English? Don't worry if it seems tough at first. With consistent effort and the right strategies, you'll be speaking fluently in no time. Here's how to kickstart your English speaking journey. Begin with the basics. Start simple by learning everyday words and phrases. Focus on greetings like, "Hey, how's it going?" or "Nice to meet you," and use them in real-life situations like chatting with a friend or ordering coffee. Label items around your home, fridge, lamp, notebook to build your vocabulary naturally. These small steps lay the foundation for confident communication. Speak every single day. The secret to fluency is practice. Speak English daily, even if it's just to yourself. Try narrating your actions. "I'm brushing my teeth," or "This sunset is beautiful." If you have a friend who speaks English, have short chats about your day. No one to talk to? Record yourself saying simple sentences and play it back to spot areas for improvement. Embrace mistakes. They're your stepping stones to success. Keep it short and simple. When starting out, use short, clear sentences. "I'm hungry," "I like coffee," or "This is my car." As you get comfortable, expand to sentences like, "I'm hungry because I skipped breakfast," or "I like coffee, but tea is good too." Simple sentences help you focus on clarity and build confidence over time. Listen and imitate listening is your superpower for learning English. Watch beginner-friendly YouTube videos, listen to podcasts like The English We Speak, or enjoy shows like Brooklyn Nine-Nine with subtitles. Repeat what you hear to mimic pronunciation and tone. For example, if a character says, "What's the plan?" pause and say it out loud. This sharpens your speaking skills and helps you sound more natural. Grow your vocabulary step by step. Don't stress about memorizing endless words. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily that relate to your life, like breakfast, walk, or excited. Use them in sentences. "I eat breakfast at 7," or "I'm excited for the weekend." Apps like Memrise or Quizlet make reviewing words fun with flashcards. Small, steady progress is the key to a strong vocabulary. Master questions and answers. Practice asking and answering everyday questions to build conversational skills. Start with basics like, "What's your hobby?" or "Where do you work?" Answer in full sentences. "My hobby is reading," or "I work in a shop." Try this with a friend or even in front of a mirror to boost your confidence and quick thinking. Make English part of your day. Incorporate English into your routine. Write your grocery list in English. Think in English while doing chores. "I'm cleaning the table," or greet people with, "Good afternoon." These habits make English feel natural and build your confidence over time. Join a language community. Connect with others who are learning English. Join online platforms like Italki or Speaky to chat with learners and native speakers worldwide. If you prefer structure, sign up for an English class or online course. Practicing with others keeps you motivated and makes learning fun. Stay patient and keep going. Fluency takes time, but every step counts. Celebrate small wins, like learning a new phrase or holding a short conversation. Mistakes are part of the process. Learn from them and keep practicing. With consistency, you'll see progress faster than you think. The amazing benefits of English fluency. Speaking English fluently transforms your life in ways you never imagined. From stress-free travel to career success, here's how fluency can elevate every aspect of your life. Travel like a pro. English makes traveling effortless. Whether you're navigating an airport in Dubai or ordering food in London, Fluency helps you communicate with ease. You'll connect with locals, discover hidden spots, and enjoy every moment of your adventures without language barriers holding you back. Build global relationships. Fluency in English lets you form connections with people from all walks of life. Join online forums, attend international events, or chat with coworkers from different countries. English helps you share stories, exchange ideas, and build friendships that span continents. Skyrocket your confidence. Speaking English fluently is a massive confidence booster. Every successful conversation, from ordering at a cafe to presenting at work, reminds you of your growth. Fluency empowers you to express yourself clearly and tackle challenges with assurance. Supercharge your career. English is a career superpower. It opens doors to jobs at global companies, promotions, and international projects. Whether you're writing reports, networking with clients, or studying abroad, fluency makes you a valuable asset in any workplace. Expand your horizons. Fluency unlocks a world of knowledge and entertainment. Read best-selling books, watch hit series, or take online courses from top universities, all in English. This access deepens your understanding of the world and fuels your passions. Top tips for mastering English. Here's a quick roundup of strategies to help you become fluent and stay motivated. Listen actively. Tune into English songs, podcasts, or shows daily. Repeat phrases to improve your pronunciation. Read every day. Start with simple stories or articles, then move to blogs or novels. Note new words and use them in sentences. Practice with others. Chat with friends, join language apps, or take a class for real-time feedback. Write in English. Keep a journal to practice writing and thinking in English. Shadow native speakers. Mimic speakers from videos or podcasts to nail tone and rhythm. Stay consistent. Spend 15 to 30 minutes daily on English. Small efforts lead to big results. Your daily English routine. Here's a sample routine to keep you on track. Morning. Review 5 to 10 vocabulary flashcards, 10 minutes. Afternoon. Read a short article or book chapter, noting new words, 15 minutes. Evening. Watch a TV episode or listen to a podcast, repeating key phrases, 20 minutes. Weekend. Join a language group or have a longer conversation, 30 to 60 minutes. Consistency is your secret weapon. Even 15 minutes a day can transform your skills over time. Mastering English is your ticket to a world of opportunities, better jobs, exciting travels, and global friendships. So, what's your next step? Subscribe to Anx English for weekly tips, practical strategies, and motivation to become fluent. Drop a comment below, share why you're learning English or your favorite learning hack. Hit the like button and share this video with a friend who's ready to unlock their future with English. Let's make fluency happen. See you in the next video.